Let's talk about KYN Capital Group. This stock is traded on the OTC under the ticker KYNC. KYN Capital has made incredible gains this year, reaching as high as 0.039 before dropping to just 1 cent. KYN Capital is once again beginning to pick up, gaining around 30% in the last couple of days. They have some huge catalysts coming up very soon, so stick with me for the next 10 minutes and let me explain to you why this stock has so much potential. So today we'll be looking at who exactly KYNC are and what they do. We will look at the latest news that has just been released and catalysts that will drive this stock forward. This week, KYNC released their most recent financial statements. We'll take a look at them. And finally, we will look at the charts and I'll give you my conclusion on this stock. Before we get into the video, it takes a lot of time to do this research and bring you these videos as quickly as possible. So if you find any value in this video, can I ask you to smash that like button? And if you're new, hit the subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. It costs you nothing, but it might help you stay up to date with the stocks that you are invested in. My last KYNC video has over 100 likes. Can I get another 150 likes on this video? Help me make that happen. What do you think of KYNC? Have you invested and what price target do you have? I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. KYN Capital Group is a Nevada company that was originally incorporated in 2004 as an investment holding company. The company became delinquent with its filings and was reinstated in March 2015 but had been very quiet until 2021. The company has repositioned to be a holding company for acquisitions and technology development in the entertainment, professional sports, blockchain, cryptocurrency and NFT markets. KYNC's goal is to combine the expertise of their team members to create a cohesive force which will carry the company forward in the marketplace. KYNC has been making huge progress in the crypto space ever since new CEO Richard Wilson took charge. In late May, he retired 400 million unrestricted shares to the company treasury and set about getting KYNC back to having pink current status. On June 11th, KYNC formally submitted their attorney letter to the OTC and have subsequently become pink current. Richard Wilson is very experienced in the crypto space. He holds the position of President, CFO and Chairman at IMD Companies Inc., ticker ICBU, and also the position of President at Anything Technologies Media Inc., ticker EXMT. On June 2nd, KYNC launched KOINFOLD, a future-forward crypto app suite the world will be talking about. Buying, selling and storing cryptocurrency has never been this easy and more affordable. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just getting started, KOINFOLD has all the tools you need to buy, sell or store your crypto securely. KOINFOLD is much more than just a crypto trading app. It is a full-service crypto blockchain suite and we look forward to revealing the other exciting elements in the coming weeks. The online crypto wallet with a host of tools and services available that lets users buy, sell or store crypto securely 100% commission free. So KOINFOLD is more than just a crypto trading app. It is a full service crypto blockchain suite that will offer debit cards directly linked to the user's KOINFOLD account. According to CoinMarketCap.com, the current crypto market is $1.6 trillion. One of the largest complaints against popular exchanges is the extremely high and sometimes confusing fees associated with their trading platforms. Once your account is funded, you can immediately trade all your preferred coins commission free. KOINFOLD offer Bitcoin, Doge, Dash, to name just a few, and are planning to be the one-stop shop to trade all your favorite digital assets. Shortly after the announcement of KOINFOLD, KYNC announced KOINFOLD Pay and the KOINFOLD debit card within just days. KOINFOLD Pay allows your business to receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin for online payments. If you're an e-commerce business, freelancer, ticket office or sports facility, you will gain a competitive edge by enabling cryptocurrency payments on your invoices. KOINFOLD Pay platform enables you to seamlessly receive cryptocurrency payments, giving you an advantage and a market share today and for years to come. The KOINFOLD debit card will be directly linked to the user's account, with the card planned to be much more than a great revenue stream to the company. While the planned rollout of the KOINFOLD app and debit card will be for use of the cash balance in the user's account in the coming quarters of 2021, KOINFOLD looks forward to being able to announce even greater functionality for the debit cards going forward, beyond the use of the account's cash balance, as well as the ability to offer crypto rewards. Just yesterday, KYNC released a statement announcing updates regarding major milestones that are scheduled for delivery during the period from mid-September to mid-October. KYN Capital Group is on track to release a series of products, including an overhaul to the corporate website, the KYN Capital Crypto Exchange, a home service marketplace, as well as a super app which integrates all these services and more into its own powerful proprietary platform. These verticals will provide several new revenue streams for the company, while also allowing KYN to become the first to package such technologies into a streamlined user experience. Rick Wilson believes now is the time to solidify our place in the market while also creating the infrastructure that will move us forward for many years to come. The company will provide further updates as it delivers upon these key business verticals in the coming weeks. So I'll be on the lookout for when any more news is released. This is a big update for KYNC shareholders. Although this press release was quite short, it is saying that we can expect many more press releases over the coming weeks. And this will serve to drive the share price upwards. This news alone has drove KYNC up about 30% over the course of just Wednesday and Thursday. Since the time of my last video, KYN has made some big announcements, including this one, where KYN Capital announced their partnership with PaySimple, a subsidiary of EverCommerce, a leading merchant payment platform for over 500,000 businesses. EverCommerce is a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq. So this is a huge partnership. EverCommerce is a multi-billion-dollar listed company. When you see a microcap stock like KYNC getting a partnership with major listed companies, you should take notice. Also, it is important to point out that this is not a contract to buy a product from a major listed company. This is a real partnership. KYN Capital Group, BW and PaySimple will collaborate to bring businesses a new platform hosted under the brand PayHow, which allows businesses to accept payments via credit card as well as cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. Under the terms of the agreement, KYN Capital will earn revenue from PaySimple as part of a revenue sharing program that will further grow into a percentage of each credit card transaction. This partnership will quickly become a revenue driver for KYN, which makes this a big deal for the company as it seeks to also become a Nasdaq traded company. So KYNC is looking to become a Nasdaq listed company. Let's not forget that this company is currently a microcap OTC stock and the share price is less than 2 cents. We've spoken in previous videos about the criteria that is needed to become Nasdaq listed. So there's quite a few things that would need to happen before they could ever uplist. But this is a great show of ambition for KYNC. As we can see here, there's plenty of criteria that the company would need to satisfy before being able to uplist. So BW Property Management will require many franchise owners to leverage PayHow for all payment processing, resulting in a win-win for both PaySimple and KYN Capital. KYN will earn revenue for all transactions, whether their clients pay via credit card or cryptocurrency. And as we see here, they have already processed millions in transactions using the PaySimple platform. The next step is to grow PayHow platform to become the platform of choice for small businesses, homeowners, and peer-to-peer transactions in the near future. And they feel that they now have the technology and resources to compete with the likes of PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo for managing payments. The level of ambition that KYNC are showing has to be admired, and KYNC have appointed a new experienced lead advisor to ensure the success of PayHow. If anyone wants free money, check out Webull, who are giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 if you open an account and deposit only $5 using my referral link. It's basically free money, so check that out down below. On Monday, KYN Capital Group released their latest financial statements. These financial statements are for the 3 months ended June 30th, 2021 and 2020. Looking at the balance sheet for the period ended June 30th, we can see that the company has total assets of $329,000 and total liabilities of $2 million. This is compared with assets and liabilities of $106,000 and $1.1 million in the previous quarter, which we seen in the last video. This means that assets have trebled while liabilities have doubled. Overall, this is not bad. Somewhat worrying is the fact that they currently have only $7,000 in cash, but they do have equipment of $245,000 and $76,000 in notes receivable. The liabilities consist mainly of accounts payable, accrued expenses, convertible notes, and other current notes payable. Although these are the most recent financial statements, it's worth remembering that there was very little going on at KYN Capital up until May this year, so these figures are not very relevant. It just highlights that they have more liabilities than assets, although the liabilities are not very much. Looking at the income statement, we can see that they had revenue of $4,000, total expenses of $53,000, and an overall net loss of $71,000. Again, there was very little going on until recently. When I see a company that has liabilities but very little assets, the first question that comes to mind is, does this company need to raise funds, and are there going concern issues, and what is management planning to do? So here in note 3 to the accounts, these financial statements have been prepared assuming the company will continue as a going concern, which contemplates the realization of assets and the discharge of liabilities in the normal course of business for the foreseeable future. Management has taken certain action and continues to implement changes designed to improve the company's financial results and operating cash flow. The actions involve certain growing strategies, including expansion of the business model into new markets. Management believes these actions will enable the company to improve future profitability and cash flow in its continuing operations, and as a result, the financial statements do not include any adjustment to reflect the possible future effects on the recoverability and classification of assets or the amounts and classification of liabilities that may result from the outcome of the company's ability to continue as a going concern. So overall, management believe that the current strategy and business model will result in a profitable business, and there is no mention here of any intention to dilute shareholders with equity offerings. From an investing point of view, this is all very good. Since my last video, KYN launched KOINFOLD Pay. This was originally due to be launched on the 6th of August, but was launched a day early. KOINFOLD Pay accepts cryptocurrency payments from all over the world. You can accept digital asset payments, including major cryptocurrencies, straight into your account with quick and easy payments. They're looking to be the global payment system, eliminate fraud, and process fiat settlements to receive funds directly to bank accounts with zero price volatility or risk using blockchain-based payment processing technology. KOINFOLD Pay is designed to be the all-in-one crypto payment solution. The launch of KOINFOLD Pay looked set to drive the share price when this was announced, but there was a huge sell the news sell-off in the days before. Over the past 2 months, KYNC has signed deals with artistrelations.com to provide an entry into the entertainment industry, as well as previous partnerships with BW Property Management and the National Homeowners Association. Looking at the chart since the turn of the year, we can see that KYNC has gained over 2,000% year to date. We can see here where the stock had a big run up in mid-March from 0.002 as high as 2 cents in June. That's approximately a 1,000% gain in just 3 months. The stock then dipped as low as 0.06 in July before running up to over 3 cents rapidly at the beginning of August. As quick as this had spiked up, it crashed down in the days leading up to the KOINFOLD Pay app launch on the 5th of August. Looking closer at this, we can see that the stock had been moving sideways recently, but then on Wednesday, KYNC began to make moves again, gaining from as low as 0.012 up to today's high of 0.184. This is nearly a 50% gain in just 2 days, and there's plenty of scope to make much bigger gains here in the coming weeks. As we can see, this took a bit of a dip, but I expect this to continue up in the coming weeks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop it a like if you did. Remember, Webull are giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 if you open an account and deposit only $5 using my referral link. If you're new around here, remember to hit that subscribe button and bell notification, follow me on Twitter and join the Facebook group. All links are in the description. So what do I think? First, I want to remind everyone that the OTC market is incredibly risky. OTC stocks have the potential to make huge percentage gains or losses in a single day. And we've seen this with KYN Capital already early in August, where the stock had reached as high as 3 cents and within the space of only 3 or 4 days had crashed down to just 1 cent. But I really do like what KYNC are doing. In my opinion, KOINFOLD has got huge potential if it is everything that management say it is. Although these stocks are very risky, they also have the potential to make investors very wealthy. This is the type of stock which will see very positive price movement on the release of positive PR statements, which KYNC management have already said that they are planning to do over the coming weeks. We've seen this stock rise over the past few days, and I fully believe management will issue press releases to help continue this momentum for the foreseeable future. My biggest concern here is the company's balance sheet. They have no real assets of note, very little by way of cash, so they need their partnerships and KOINFOLD to be very successful very quickly. I rate this as a high risk, high reward play, but this is just my opinion, and if anyone is thinking of buying this stock, I encourage you to do your own research. And if you find anything of interest that I've not mentioned in the video, drop a comment down below and I'll look into it. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching the video. What are your price targets for KYNC? And what are your thoughts on the future of this company? Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next update.